Guys, today I'm actually going to teach you how to go from a natural hair color to a platinum blonde look. The first product we'll need is the LOL Quick Blue Bleach Powder. If you have darker hair, you will actually need 2 of these. It will take a little bit longer to go from your darker hair to light blonde. The second product you will need will be the developer. In order to achieve the platinum blonde color, you will need to get a toner. The toner that I have is from Wella, and it's the lightest ash blonde 1018. Since we are going to bleach our hair twice, our hair is going to come out really damaged. In order to combat that, we will need to use the oil to get your hair sleek, sexy, and healthy back again. Before you even think about dyeing your hair, just make sure you have an application brush. I purchased this application brush. It actually came with 2. One of them is more soft for overall application. The second one is kind of more firm for like the edges of your hairline. You will need to find like a bowl or container in order to mix the bleach and the toner together. So the first step, you're going to get the Quick Blue bleaching powder and we're going to put it into the container. So for now, we're going to do the first round of bleaching. So we're only going to make the first batch at the moment. So you want to properly measure the amount of developer you add to the mixture. You're going to add 2 scoops of 1/4 of a cup. Now let's start mixing the bleach powder and the developer together. If it's not the right consistency for you, I would recommend you to add just 1/4 of a cup, just half of that extra in order to make the proper consistency. And boom, that's the right consistency that I want. So if you have anything on your wrist, like any wristbands, just remove that. You don't want to get bleach on it. Make sure you're wearing protection when you apply this. You don't want to irritate your skin with the bleach. So I naturally have like a darker hair. I recently dyed my hair like a light brown, but now today I'm gonna change that. We're gonna go platinum blonde. By any means, I'm not a professional whatsoever. So if I'm not applying it correctly, don't go to the comment section and be like, hey, you trash. That hurts my feelings. So I decided to start applying the mixture from the front of my hair towards the back of there. And then I spread the mixture from the back of my hair to the front to ensure that everything is covered with the mixture. Once you guys start dyeing your hair, just make sure that you separate your hair and get the roots first before you start applying the mixture all over your hair. Trust me, just by doing this, it makes spreading the mixture way more easier. And I learned from my mistakes, so next time I'm actually going to go that route instead of first applying everything all over my hair. Now that we're done applying the bleach on top of our hair, you want to make sure you double coat the side of your hairs. Since my hairs are really small, there's a really good chance you might leave some spots, and that will not look pretty whatsoever. You might get some bleach on your hairline, so what I did is get a tissue paper and just clean off anything on your skin, because if you leave that on your skin, it's going to get irritated, it's going to burn, and it's not going to be a good feeling whatsoever. Alright, now you want to grab your any device and set a timer for 45 minutes. Meanwhile, you're waiting for his bleach to do its job. Watch a Netflix show. I have a recommendation. Watch Lucifer on Netflix. It's a pretty interesting show. It's been only 10 minutes and I already seen a difference in my hair. Let's wait and see how our hair looks after 45 minutes are over. Since we are dyeing our hair platinum blonde, the brand Shimmer Lights has a shampoo and a conditioner. This will help prevent yellowing and keep your hair healthy and vibrant. Now you want to use the shampoo to remove the bleach. Don't use the conditioner until the second round of bleach. In the first round of bleach, your hair will turn really orange. If you don't put enough bleach on your hair, you'll have some missing spots. But if this happens to you, no worries. The second round of bleach will fix those missing spots. Before we start the second round of bleach, make sure your blow dryer is in the lowest settings for heat and fan speed. You don't want to damage your hair more. Now we're adding argan oil to our second batch of bleach. This will help by moisturizing and bring your hair back to its healthy state. The second round of bleach won't be too intense. We're only leaving this mixture on our hair for about 25 to 30 minutes. Make sure you shampoo and condition your hair for the second round of bleach. After the second round of bleach, your hair should be a very light blonde color. Make sure your hair is completely dried. In this next step, we are going to apply the toner to our hair. As you can see, our hair is very light now. It's not an orange color anymore. Ew. Now we're going to use our toner to make our hair platinum blonde. Alright, pour the entire bottle of toner and next add half of a 1/4 of a cup of developer. Mix the developer and the toner until you make a nice consistency. We are going to apply the toner on our hair and we are leaving the toner for only 30 minutes. Make sure you fully coat your hair or else you'll have some spots that are still blonde. When you start noticing your hair turning purple, don't freak out, your hair isn't going to be purple. Your hair turns that color because the toner is doing its job and it means that the color is being transferred to your hair. Now let's remove the toner off our hair. Shampoo and condition your hair. Honestly, low-key, I'm vibing with the purple color. But that's not the color we're going for. Damn, look at that sexy hair. Let's just say new year, new me. And goddamn, new sexy ass vato. I'm loving the new look. But we are not done here. Let's reapply organ oil. Let me tell you, this product will be your best friend. I highly recommend it. So go and purchase it. Now we're putting some final touches to our hair. So now I want you to style your hair however you like. Since we are bumping up the temperature of our blow dryer, use a heat protection spray in order to protect your hair from the extreme temperatures. My favorite styling product is from Hans Fuku. This product is a matte finish look and has an extreme high hold. What I love about this product is your hair literally looks like it has zero product. Go cop this dope ass product. Go visit hanstofuku.com if you want this product. Don't be scared, experiment with your hair. Hopefully you guys dye your hair platinum blonde. Give it a try. What's the worst that could happen? No biggie, but trust me, it's gonna come out dope ass out. Ladies and gentlemen, both of you guys could do it. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video and go dye your hair to look sexy, gorgeous, and amazing. See you guys later on the next video. Dale.